Heyo viewers, and welcome to the first edition of the Slackers Telethon. I say telethon because I say marathon now. Back in the day, we gave people the opportunity to give to Kelsey's Hope Foundation and submit an act for us to do. And we are going to start redeeming those today. I said they're going to be a minute long, but they're going to be an episode each. So today, Moser, friend of the channel, veteran of Run Slackers events, she submitted a type of beer mile, but instead of using beer, we're going to use Topo Chico, apple fritters, and donuts. Since there is a little Topo Chico shortage of sorts, the Walgreens only had Pellegrino,
which is a poor substitute for Topo Chico.
I know. This comes in a can.
My contract says I may be able to refuse to participate.
Well, you know, I think the entertainment's going to come from you and these things. But we also got some apple fritters from arguably the best apple fritter place here, and I don't expect anyone to eat a whole apple fritter before each lap because
they're as big as your face.
Things are bigger in Texas. So I'm gonna say half an apple fritter before a lap. So 4 laps around this track, down a Pellegrino, half a fritter, a donut, and the 4th lap, dealer's choice. So let's see who doesn't throw up. Also, thank you for your donation.
All right, Jess, how you feeling about this?
I don't do well with drinking things quickly. Just in general, the bubbles from the Pellegrino, I'm afraid, are going to just bubble up in my soul, and by soul I mean my stomach.
That sounds like what Moser intended.
Yeah.
Am I right?
I'm scared.
Bubbling crude oil, that is. You know what that's from?
No.
Texas.
No.
Bub.
Oh, is that a Texas thing?
No.
California thing.
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
Beverly Hillbillies.
Oh. All right, Jess. Do the honors. Opening up.
The cement pond. Ow. If you'll notice, there's a knee thing on my knee. Because as you get older, sometimes it's hard to step down from things like step stools. I'm scared of this. This is 11.15 ounces of bubbliness.
You know.
All right, it's time.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yep, it's warm.
Oh, the Pellegrino's warm?
Warm works to my advantage.
You would think that'd be a good thing on a cold day, but warm carbonated beverages just...
Warm carbonated beverages are my jam. I'm finished!
Where you at?
Oh God, sibling aggression.
Slam it.
Ryan.
My tummy hurts watching you do this. Yeah.
Done. Ready?
All right, camera.
So far, first stretch, not bad.
Not bad.
How's your tum-tum?
Good so far. Actually, it was settling. You know when you don't feel great and your mom gives you a cold Sprite to drink? Settle your stomach.
Oh, thanks, Dovey. A little bit. It's a little creepy, like hearing the noise of the drum behind us. I will say, I feel the bubbles. They are a brewing. And I don't know how I feel about going back there and eating an apple fritter after this.
Yeah.
All right, we're almost done.
Yep.
And
Feeling good.
little tiny burps.
Little tiny burp.
It's not bad. I burped a little bit.
A little bit. Wasn't bad.
But
Kind of creepy having that
that's expected.
robot following you.
Yeah.
Okay, so lap 1, how was that?
It's just a little gaseous, but not bad.
Oh, this is a good one. You want a bite?
Oh, I think so.
One more?
Oh, good. Hi, good apple fritter. Lars, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I came back just for the fritter.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
MK's not here today. Yeah, blazed to perfection. And so are my intestines.
Very well done.
Okay, I'm gonna take part in this next lap. Very good donut.
It is really good. Look, you see how the inside, you've got a nice texture there. and then you got the glaze on the outside.
Science slacker, and you found your glasses.
Yeah,
I know. Apples are nice and crisp to perfection. Just a hint of cinnamon. Paul Hollywood would be proud.
like this.
Okay, I got one more bite of fritter. Once I'm done, I'm going. Ah.
Are you coughing from the post-dopey crud, the fritter, or reflux?
Yes. Are we there yet?
That's not even a quarter mile, I don't think.
One lap is a quarter mile.
Yeah. I only drank like a sip of Pellegrino and I'm feeling the gaseousness, but I don't know how you guys are feeling.
Well, you just heard.
Jake Crow?
I think I was thirsty, so it was good.
Anyone have their Garmin on? Burp.
9:30.
And there's my lap.
You were leading the pack. Oh wow, y'all are breathing heavy. Are you
It was a
filming? Because this is
nine and a
funny.
half minute quarter mile.
What's next on the menu?
Donut.
Menu.
All right, lap 3. Choose a donut out of one of these.
Choose your weapon.
Ooh.
Ooh, what is this green one? Is that oh, it's not green. It's my sunglasses, guys.
It's
It's beige.
you got some sprinkles, you got regular donuts, you got some cake donuts. Choose your weapon.
Wow. Might regret that extra frosting and those jimmies, but
You know what? It's too late for regrets.
for the channel, right?
I'm gonna film you.
Save any in your mustache. It has
That's
to
good.
all go in your mouth.
Well, I'm not as affluent as the sibling and my pastry describing, but good.
Yeah.
Definitely not the word. I mean, I am rich in it, but
Oh,
Orange.
I went with the pastry.
I'm taking the red velvet because it's my absolute favorite.
Yeah.
Did you
Red
want
velvet?
it?
I thought
Red
blueberry. Oh, there's a blueberry.
The
Very
cake
cool.
one's
There's a
good.
blueberry.
This is
You like
my
cake donuts?
absolute favorite.
The blueberry
It
is
is so good.
exquisite.
Were you about to take the blue?
That
No,
one-
no.
I have to say that the box got
sugar one looks good.
exponentially lighter when they picked up the red velvet and
Cake.
blueberry.
Just a little bit thick.
They're a lot more dense.
This is to die for.
I need air.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Taste the fresh blueberries.
Abilene Donuts. I'm calling it best donut shop in all of Abilene.
Straight sugar donut.
Azúcar in Spanish, y'all.
So who's going out on this lap? And Lars, you going too?
I'm going.
We'll see if Lindsay Moser thinks this counts because you're not doing every lap. Ready to go?
No.
I'm wearing my pants that fall down when I run.
Oh, the jostling has begun. I'm gonna burp now.
Are you going to the burping corner? Oh, how you doing, Jez? All right, how does that feel? Stomach update.
Stomach's good. It is been windy out here in West Texas. This morning's no exception.
Definitely a little sloshy.
I want to see you all sprint to the finish. Go! Sprint, J. Crow, sprint!
This is the first time I've run in like 6 months.
Whoa!
Oh, crazy.
You did good.
Running in my dreams.
Me too. So lap 4, dealer's choice. Are you going for the Pellegrino?
Yeah, I went for hydration over sweetness.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was the right call at this point. Pellegrino is better than I was expecting, so no endorsement implied.
I saw you sprinted at the end.
Yeah, Lindsay was very encouraging to pick up the pace.
Was.
I'm gonna need to use the restroom after this. It's a lot of liquid for one tiny person. Yes.
I think Moser, this was a good challenge for us, but it hasn't pushed us to the limits. But I hope we make you smile.
I think
There is one lap left to go,
I
though.
think it would have pushed the king over here to the limits if he actually did it all.
I did a quarter of it.
That's true, I did a quarter of it, too. I'm gonna go for half.
You're gonna go another lap?
I'm gonna go another lap. I'm
Oh,
gonna have
look
to
at that.
hold my pants the whole time. I'm gonna run like this.
Finished.
Pellegrino's down. Get ready, 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 ready. Ready to run.
Let's do this.
And go. A little more jump.
I don't know whether to go slow or just go fast to get it done.
Look at her go. I'm gonna give her a little head start. So let's see, I'm gonna give her to that field goal post. I'm gonna see if I can track her down. She's moving pretty good though. She doesn't know I'm coming, so I have an element of surprise.
Go.
Good.
Get it.
Coming for you. Ugh,
You gonna throw up?
almost.
I had to find like the sweet spot where the throw up's not gonna happen.
Yeah. Just pretend Riley Claremont's calling out your name. Whew. Oh boy.
Okay, well,
What did we do that in?
9:20. Well, 9:20 pace.
Respectable.
There's like a weird mix of carbonated water and sugar.
Wow.
Finish line.
Whole new challenge.
Jump shot.
Woo. Nicely done.
Well done.
Good. I only did half a mile. Y'all did a mile.
Yay, I ran a mile.
Half miler.
Yes. I need a medal now.
I agree. I think it's worth mentioning that we are at a middle school, intermediate school, I guess they call them now.
Yep, I am intermediate school sized, so it should be okay.
Do we know how far the closest urgent care is?
Just jump on it. Ready? Go!
Whoa!
I was scared for a half a second.
That back foot almost.
I don't know if I landed totally correctly on this leg, because
Does it hurt?
no, it was like that could have been worse, but
It's tall.
yeah, that's
Tall
tall.
for a short-legged people.
Yeah, I don't recommend that.
You gave it the Jared flair too.
Yeah, that was more like.
Will you describe the Jared Flair?
Ninja style. So it was. He had the form started, and then he added the little whoop.
Whoa!
I feel like I want to clear this better. I don't know if this is a smart thing to do or what. Here we go.
Whoa! You got a hurdler.
That was more like
Nailed
a
it.
jump. So, Hurley. You completed the Moser mile. I completed the Moser quarter mile.
It was a good mile. Thank you, Moser.
Moser half mile.
So thank you once again for contributing to Kelsey's Hope Foundation. If anyone wants to contribute to another great fund, go to give.oxandspoon.com. And so thank you all for participating.
It's delightful.
We will see you around the WDW at Springtime Surprise. So with that, like, subscribe, tell your mom about this.